Something about a truck in a farmer's field. A no trespass sign. Got time to kill. No one's gonna get hurt. So what's the big deal? Something about a truck in a farmer's field. And something about a kid sitting on ice after a long hard day. Make it taste just right on that drop tailgate on a summer night. Something about a beer sitting on ice, and something about a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer pressed against her lips on that farmer's field on your hands. Something about a girl in a red sundress, and something about a kiss is gonna lead to more on that drop tailgate back behind the cone. The most natural thing never felt before. Something about a beer is gonna lead to more. Something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees and the Lord have mercy. It's a beautiful thing, ain't nothing about it. Look, there's something about a truck, something about a creek around 2 a.m. You're going hard, dears. You wanna dive on in, you don't need no clothes. Oh man, there's something about a creek around 2 a.m. There's something about a truck in a field and a girl in a red sundress with a nice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees and the Lord have mercy. It's a beautiful thing, ain't nothing about it. Look, something about a truck, nothing about it. Look, something about a truck. Alright, that was terrible.